ain't do that with that time. Hold on. Hold on. Oh.
Call shorty, she know we do. Cardio watch, I think I want to. Load up the app and search RonSmoov. Make sure you sub so you see them too. Shorty, she bad, I found me a boo. She said she want, well I want to too. I text her at 10 when I'm in the mood. She shaking it slow, she know what to do. Call shorty, she know we do. Cardio watch, I think I want to. Load up the app and search RonSmoov. Make sure you sub so you see them too. Shorty, she bad, I found me a boo. She said she want.
What's the deal? It's your boy RonSmoov, and we out here. If you don't know, we out here in Detroit City, and look at this weather, man. It's snowing. Of course, it's the worst. Everybody know that. Can't even see the roads. Look at this. I mean, really, man, who wanna drive in this shit, man? Yeah, though. On my way right now to run some errands. We probably can't see you. Let me turn that down for you. I'm gonna run some errands and junk. Hit downtown and junk, but it's not out to this party. Psych, but Happy New Year. You know, I gotta get you on the first video in 2022, so just like a little intro telling y'all why we be doing this shit. So, you know, we got the public interviews coming. I might start fucking with the skits, do a couple skits for y'all, like some types of skits, like types of drunk people, all types of shit like that, you feel me? But yeah, trying to get that to y'all, this shit, man. Like, look at this shit, that's so cool. I don't know, but it's still going. Like, come on, hold on. Oh, hold on now. Hold on now. Oh.
No.
Oh, yeah, this bitch don't want to stop. Oh, this bitch stopped in the middle of the street. This bitch just stopped in the middle of the street. Hope not the boys behind me either. This could be real bad. Forget I'm riding with a mop. I'm in the gas. We ain't going over.
Ooh, damn.
Got him!
But I turn the traction off, they get from behind me. See, they been sliding this shit. I turn the traction off for y'all a little bit. Hold on, hit that button. See y'all boys. Hold on. Oh. We slide the whip now. We slide the whip, you feel me? You know, it's like a little low-key cruising vlog for y'all. Show y'all how the Detroit be when the snow. Cause I know some of y'all don't get snow where y'all be watching it. Y'all be all somewhere hot and stay hot 24/7. But this is what we gotta go through. Oh shit, hold on, this bitch don't wanna stop. That's what I'm saying, like, dog. What the fuck? The good content for y'all. I'm gonna start posting videos and post this shit for y'all. Bring y'all some content. I know y'all be waiting for shit. The traction is off as y'all see, you feel me? I'm just chilling though, type shit. Like, you got a whip. Even for y'all that got like the little regular whips, you know, the front wheel drive whips. Y'all can still go crazy in y'all whips. Y'all just gotta know how to control it. You feel me? Don't go too crazy. You just hit a little. Hit one of those real quick, you feel me? Don't go too dumb though, cause that's how you blow your engine and shit. Niggas be out here, alternator all fucked up, engine blowing, shit taking this shit, you feel me? Don't. Oh shit, here come a stop. Oh shit, here come a stop. Here come a stop. Oh, we almost hit that car there. We're gonna pick this up from our auntie, we'll get right back with y'all, man. What's up, y'all? We back. As you can see, I just picked up something from my auntie. Back on the road with it right now. Get a point of view. Just feel me, like my subscribers, you like the vibe with your boy. But you know, we've been going on, just been working. Taking this dinner out 2 o'clock for y'all. It's gonna happen like real soon, couple more weeks. Let's get with my little dress. Oh shit, hold on now. Oh shit. That's how you walk shit. Watch out, this bitch out here, get the crack out here, like fun little content. though. We're about to do this. That's about the kids I could have did this. Oh, show them deers already peed. This is what we go through in Detroit. We got deers out.
Oh, hell no!
I don't see those deers. There's one right there. There's a few of them up. Zoom in for your. You see the deers, one right there. You look, you got, hold on. One right there. Got one over there. One. You see them moving. Oh, this shit fun for me. Hold on. Bitch, I walked straight into the curb. I forgot these bitches don't be wanting to stop. Let's see, take her right here with it. That's bad out here. Oh. I don't know nobody else can bring you on content in the snow with the regular wood. My shit. That was close to the curve right there. Oh, too much low at the curve. Ooh, you gotta be quick with those counter steers.
Mark is you.
I will do right here, but this shit be hot. I don't get no shit. They gotta come off here regular. Oh, that's a little too much though. Y'all don't understand, like this shit really fun. If you got a real drive, like you know type shit. I'll spin my shit right here, say I won't. I'll spin my shit right here, say I won't.
I said, okay, do you want me to say it like that, or do you want me to take some stuff out?
Say no, but no, though, like 392, I'm gonna bring y'all some better content than this. It's like I'm in like a little mini 392 or haircut or something.
Allah Akbar.
Oh my God.
It's basically like a little video of drifting in the snow, but like trying to tell y'all like what's going on. Basically a little update. Oh, I ain't do that with that time. Hold on. I ain't do that with that time now. He probably think we for real the whole time we playing. But no, that time, I don't know, y'all. We'll probably gonna try to come out and start fixing out on the roads. Tracks is still off, y'all see. That's how we ride though. Like, you gotta have fun sometimes. For me, you only live once. Behind me to start fixing the roads, cause it's... Shit is OD. Check on this park like a different my shit right here. I forgot you can't just turn like that.
Stupid.
God, it's fucking wet out here. I wanna go to the parking lot to get the drift of that shit. How you gonna stand outside? Oh shit! I'll do it right here. What is this? The boys right here or some shit? No, this snow drift. This shit do be fun. Oh shit! Oh, let's keep going now. We're gonna walk it in now. Yo, who thought I was capping, man, about the snow? Look at this out here. Like, it's really snowing hard. Like, look at this. snowed up. Look at this. Ice chunks. That's gonna wrap it up for the video today. Hope you guys like, comment, subscribe if you didn't yet. More content coming. Let's give y'all a little quick update on what's going on. But that's it. I'll see y'all when I see y'all.